You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this Turkish name, the name of the president of Turkey, or Turkiye? Yes, don't forget. If you want to learn how to pronounce the new name of Turkey, make sure to stay tuned. Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. Turkish pronunciation: Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. Recep Tayyip Erdoğan, or Recep Tayyip Erdoğan in English. Turkish pronunciation: Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. English pronunciation: Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.